Hey guys, everything Samsung Pro here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy S1. So the last phone that we unboxed was the Galaxy S2, and this one I bought on eBay, same thing as the other one, but this one is cracked, and this one doesn't really, it's kind of rough on the top right here, and the edges. Maybe someone like dropped it on the, like that or something, but yeah, so this is the Galaxy S1, and it's the Galaxy S Vibrant because the T-Mobile, this is the T-Mobile version, and it's weird. So first off, the hardware is kind of weird. It like when you tap it, you feel like a vibration. I guess it's like made of metal or something, but we're going to go ahead and start it up. Where's the power button? Where's the power button? I guess it's right here. The Galaxy S2 was like more up, but this is going to be the Galaxy S Vibrant startup. Kind of weird. It says Samsung there and Samsung there. It's an old phone, so it's gonna take a while, I guess, to start up. I hope mine isn't broken. There it is. Where's the speaker? Oh, speaker's on the back. I'm gonna cuff that so you can hear it. Oh, it's phone's locked. What the heck? Oh, okay. Got a few games on here. I guess the person who had it before me downloaded a bunch of apps. Why isn't it swiping? It's like not swiping. Oh, wow. Okay, that was super delayed. That is very delayed. So we have an Avatar app, a mobile IV app, and Sims 3 and Kindle, Amazon Kindle, YouTube, web, and market and camera. Let's test out this camera. Media scanner running. What is that? What is media? Oh, maybe that's like starting it up or something. Okay, I guess we can't do that. And I don't know. A friend of mine told me that the YouTube app wasn't with the phone, and you had to go on the website on Google. So there's no network connection, so I have to enter my Wi-Fi password. I'll be right back. So I've connected it to the Wi-Fi, and I noticed a thing that since the keyboard vibrates whenever you type, it kind of does this weird thing where you can like no. Does this weird thing where you can feel it like throughout the phone whenever you type it. So I'm gonna put it up to the microphone right here. You can listen to the tapping. And you can kind of like feel the vibration throughout the phone, which I know you're supposed to do that, but it kind of like echoes the vibration. I don't really know like the word, but it's like kind of weird because I guess it's because of the metallic kind of back. So I guess so we're going to be doing we already did a review on it, so I'm not really going to go into too much detail because there's a video you can just hit, but here's like the experience. So there's a problem starting up, please check network. I already did that. So my Galaxy S2, hold on, I'm going to start that up. So compared to the Galaxy S2, Galaxy S2 is a little bigger, and you can tell they're like different phones. This one's like bezels have this like weird thing like around it, and I think the On 5 kind of does it a little bit. This is the Galaxy On 5. I lost the back, but it kind of does the same thing. Oh, the phone just turned off. Well, oh yeah, I forgot. You can't double tap. I have the Galaxy S10 and it does that. You lock it. Okay. So it has this, and this one doesn't have it. And holy crap! I just stuttered there. And the same thing happens with YouTube on the Galaxy S2. So when you where's YouTube? Oh yeah, I deleted it. So when you open YouTube on the Galaxy S2, it pops up, but even though I'm connected to Wi-Fi and I have Wi-Fi connected and I signed in, like Wi-Fi works for Chrome, so you have to go to Chrome and to do YouTube. So you'll click sign in and it'll just not let you do it. There's a problem starting up. So maybe because Sprint doesn't support this phone, and I don't think T-Mobile supports the Galaxy S1 either. But yeah, so YouTube doesn't start up. Kind of weird. But let's check the web browser. There was an error. So I'm gonna type in YouTube and we'll see what happens. So right now it's loading and it popped up. No. Dang it. Security warning. So it won't let me go in because of security. So I guess I really can't do anything with this phone. Really? I can't really. So I can't go on YouTube and so I don't know how you download things. I guess Market. Alright, so I have to set up my Google account, so I'll do that right now. Alright, so I signed in and it took me back to the home menu. Oh, wait, no, I gotta go to Market. And web page. Why is there a web page for the Market? So, the heck? What was that? So, I honestly have no idea what I can do with this phone. Really not much, but let's try the Sims 3, because for some reason that... So, you'll need all of this. Just install. And we'll see how long it takes for this to install. I don't even know what it's doing. It seems to not be doing anything. The battery went down quick. I don't know when it came. It's almost dead. I don't know when it came at, but I knew it was higher than that. So I think the phone just turned off. I don't know. So yeah, Galaxy S1. Definitely do not get this if you're looking for an actual like phone to put your SIM card in. Obviously, because it's old, but yeah. So if you are looking for a phone, probably your best bet, like for a cheap smartphone that you could put a SIM card in and actually use for talking and texting in your like main phone. I don't really know what your best bet is, but this isn't it. Definitely not. It's way out of date, and Galaxy S2, not really your best bet either, so I don't know, but that was the Galaxy S1, and yeah.